Hey guys, welcome to the Hacked Existence 3D printing series. So in this video, we're going to look at the Piranha plant switch dock. So if we pop the switch out here, we can see there's a USB-C plug in there. That comes out to an HDMI cable on the other end that plugs into the TV to fully replace the Nintendo Switch dock. The HDMI end also has USB-C power in, so I plug that in so that it charges the Switch while it's on the dock. Basically everything that this dock does already. Additionally, you can see that I printed out 3 sets of the Joy-Con holders, so I have 4 players worth of Joy-Cons all set up in the dock. It also has these sockets for the Nintendo Switch cartridges, so you can put all your games in here. And if we look at one of these leaves, you can see that they've made these plugs that emulate the form factor of the game cartridges, which makes this all modular so that you can reconfigure the layout any way you like. So this took me about a day and a half to print out. You don't need an AMS to do this. All the things print one color at a time. I used all PLA, the standard colors, green, yellow, red. This is jade white. I used the PLA sparkle for the dirt to give it a nice little effect there. And the pot is mistletoe green. So the kit comes with 20 screws, 20 washers and 2 magnets, and to be honest, I didn't even use the washers or the magnets, so it's basically just 20 screws, which is nice because none of this stuff glues together. It all either pressure mounts or screws on, so it's all nice and sturdy. I've also seen people who modified the Joy-Con holders to power them so that it'll charge the Joy-Cons. That's something I might look at in the future, but honestly, I set this thing next to my TV and I get tons of compliments on it. It looks great, it's super functional, really fun project. Wasn't that hard to assemble. The assembly was a little bit of trial and error because the documentation doesn't really tell you exactly what to do, so you kind of got to figure that out a little bit. But all in all, this thing was super easy to print, super easy to put together. Everything just worked right out of the box. Very well drawn, very neat aesthetic. So as always, stay tuned and thanks for watching.